Belize is located on the northeastern coast of Central America. It is the only country in Central America where English is the official language. Belize was formerly known as British Honduras until it gained independence in 1981. The country has a population of around 400,000 people. Belize is known for its diverse cultures and ethnicities, including Maya, Creole, Mestizo, Garifuna, and more. The official currency of Belize is the Belize dollar, which is pegged to the US dollar. Belize has the second largest barrier reef in the world, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The country is a popular destination for snorkeling, diving, and other water activities. Belize is home to a wide variety of wildlife, including jaguars, howler monkeys, and manatees. The Great Blue Hole, a giant marine sinkhole, is located off the coast of Belize and is a popular diving spot. Belize is the only country in Central America without a coastline on the Pacific Ocean. The country has a tropical climate with a wet and dry season. Belize has a parliamentary democracy and is a member of the Commonwealth of Nations. The government of Belize is headed by a prime minister. The Belizean economy is based on agriculture, tourism, and manufacturing. The country is known for its production of sugar, citrus fruits, and bananas. Belize has a low cost of living compared to other countries in the region. The official language of Belize is English, but Spanish, Creole, and Maya languages are also widely spoken. The Belizean flag features blue and red stripes with a coat of arms in the center. The coat of arms includes symbols representing the country's history and natural resources. Belize has a small army and relies on the security forces of other countries for defense. The country has a high level of biodiversity, with many protected areas and reserves. Belize is a popular destination for ecotourism and sustainable travel. The country has a rich history of Mayan civilization, with many ancient ruins and archaeological sites. Belize was once part of the ancient Mayan Empire and has many well-preserved temples and pyramids. The country celebrates a mix of traditional Mayan and European holidays. Belize has a diverse cuisine influenced by Caribbean, Mexican, and Mayan culinary traditions. Some popular dishes in Belize include rice and beans, fried jacks, and tamales. The Belize Zoo is home to many native species of animals and is a popular tourist attraction. The Coxcomb Basin Wildlife Sanctuary is the world's first jaguar reserve. Belize is one of the best places in the world for birdwatching, with over 600 species of birds. The Belize Barrier Reef Reserve System is home to over 500 species of fish and 100 different types of coral. The country has a mix of modern cities and traditional villages. Belize City is the largest city in the country and serves as the economic and cultural hub. San Pedro and Plasencia are popular beach towns known for their laid-back vibe and water activities. The Cayo district is a popular destination for adventure travelers, with opportunities for hiking, caving, and ziplining. Belize has a small but growing film industry, with several international film festivals held in the country each year. Belize has a low crime rate compared to other countries in the region. The country has a universal healthcare system that provides basic medical services to all residents. Education is free and compulsory for children up to the age of 14 in Belize. The University of Belize is the country's national university and offers a range of undergraduate and graduate programs. The literacy rate in Belize is over 90%, one of the highest in the region. Belize is a member of several regional organizations, including the Caribbean Community, CARICOM, and the Central American Integration System, SICA. The country is known for its friendly and welcoming people, who are a mix of different cultures and ethnicities. Belize has a rich tradition of music and dance, including punta, soca, and reggae. The country is known for its colorful festivals and celebrations, such as the Belize Carnival and the International Costa Maya Festival. Belize has a unique blend of traditional and modern art, with many local artists gaining international recognition. The Belize National Art Gallery showcases the work of local painters, sculptors, and photographers. The country has a strong tradition of storytelling and oral history, with many myths and legends passed down through generations. Belizean literature is a mix of poetry, fiction, and non-fiction, with themes ranging from colonial history to contemporary issues. The Belizean Creole language, also known as Creole, is spoken by a large portion of the population. Belize has a diverse range of traditional crafts, including textiles, ceramics, and wood carvings. The country has a music and art scene that reflects its multicultural heritage. Belize is home to several indigenous communities, including the Garifuna people, who have a distinct culture and language. The Garifuna culture is known for its music, dance, and cuisine, which are celebrated in festivals like Garifuna Settlement Day. The Mestizo culture in Belize has strong ties to Mexican and Spanish traditions, with a focus on family and community. The Maya people in Belize have a rich history and cultural heritage, with ancient traditions still practiced today. Traditional Maya crafts, such as pottery and weaving, are popular souvenirs for visitors to Belize. The Maya calendar, known as the Long Count, is still used by some indigenous communities in Belize. Belize has a vibrant nightlife, with bars, clubs, and live music venues in major cities and tourist towns. The country has a strong tradition of community events, such as street fairs, parades, and cultural festivals. The Belize International Film Festival showcases local and international filmmakers and has become a major cultural event in the country. Belize has a rich history of political activism, with many social movements advocating for indigenous rights and environmental conservation. The country has a National Institute of Culture and History that works to preserve and promote Belize's cultural heritage.